I said in yesterday's video, and like I'll be saying in all of the videos moving forward, we are here to make money, not to be right. So the thing that they said about like you need to escape your local community or your area where you grew up or anything like that in order to grow is 100% true, because there's like a hidden factor of the things that hold you back includes pride and stuff like that. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing amazing. It's currently Wednesday and we are here on the charts. As you can see on the screen, you see it? Alright, good, enough of the screen. I'm looking for a potential buy. As long as price could come down and top the entry, then me and everybody else from the community can be in a trade, and this could be, you know, the second W for this week. I like how this one's shaping up already. Even though I didn't enter it the same way I entered it yesterday upon the break, I'm still waiting for a retest like I usually do, but I kind of got faith that it might come back, you know. So you already know how it is around here. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. My name is Kevon Roach and this is my channel where I share what it's like being a full-time trader from the Caribbean. Life both on and off the charts. So if that sounds like it's something interesting to you, make sure to stick around, smash the like button, and subscribe while you're at it, because we got a lot more content coming your way. But for right now, I'm gonna let price do its thing. It's possible that it gets straight to our TP without actually hitting our entry, which would suck. It could have been the second trade like that I took for the week, but regardless, it's still going to be a valid trade. Even if it touches our TP, the fair value gap is going to still be open and there's going to be a higher target after that. So let me just give it that couple minutes, and then once we get to any of our points of interest, I'm gonna come back and give y'all that update. We might also go on the road somewhere today. I don't know, I might go on the seawall and show y'all what's going on. Just stick around, because I'm definitely gonna start moving about rather than just being in this one place with y'all for the entire video. So yeah, and we're back about half hour or 45 minutes later. It's been raining in Guyana for the past couple of days, so excuse you by with the light. And as you can see there on the charts, we're in the trade. Price came down and tapped us in and is currently active. Now I'm gonna be honest, it kind of shaky, and I'm only feeling that way because I didn't catch it on the break, right? But in hindsight, if I caught it on the break, seeing this retracement wouldn't have feel better. So regardless, I'm in this trade on all of the accounts. So here we have it, and like I said, I'm still using the trade copier, so I have the trade open on all of the accounts, and you know, I'm just managing it from these two first accounts, this one over here and this one over here, and the two follower accounts will follow. So this is the situation. I've sent this out to the community as well, so we're all in this one. Opened it on my personal and my other two prop accounts, as well as the $50 to $100 challenge. Like I said in yesterday's video, we'd be starting it today, so our promises kept, and we're in this one on the $50 account. It's currently up a smidgel. I wish I could hide like how much these things showing you, but that's the situation over there, and I'm just gonna watch the charts from over here so I don't actually see the dollar value, because y'all know me already when it comes to that. But this is the situation. I'm going to leave this trade light do its thing, and I'm also gonna leave the screen so we can go on the road somewhere. Even though it's a little rainy, I'm gonna still try to get y'all some footage outside rather than get y'all staring at the screen or me all the time. So alright, and we're back about 10 minutes later, and we're this far away from take profit, just like yesterday. But unlike yesterday, I haven't closed at the tip. Now I opened the camera to give you guys to fill you guys in on what's actually going on, because when I went out to the hourly, I noticed that it's a fair value gap being retraced into on the hourly, and we still closed below this low right here, right? So it's possible that this hourly gap holds and we have a further push to the downside. So I don't want to keep holding this trade for it to push high up. And when I check the balance on the trade, I am up over $100, which is more than enough. So with all that being said, oh snap, now I'm remembering that I didn't take any screenshots to journal this trade beforehand. So let me just do that now then. And I'll be closing this trade with the profits that I have, because like I said in yesterday's video, and like I'll be saying in all of the videos moving forward, we're here to make money, not to be right. So I'ma accept and I'ma bless. I don't even mind. You could have dropped below the 100, bro. I do not mind. Drop below the 100. Cool. And we're out of that trade, but let me close it on all of the other accounts. Oh yeah, what do you think? I'ma take that $10. I mean, I was risking 7, so that I ain't really wanted to. Let me just go ahead and close on the personal as well. It really does look like price is gonna keep pushing up, but not on that fam. Close it on this prop and then on the personal as well. Right, and all trades except on the $50 account. So why this one they down more than this? Why Black Bull look like they're retracing while Nas look like it's okay? That's why. That man got the live feed. That man got the live feed. Honestly thinking to take the $9 because of price action on the hourly. Like, alright, I'm a college charge, bro. Partially close. I don't want to partially close none. And we're out of the trade. Yo, that's it. Basically a 1-to-1 instead of a 1-to-2. Now I got to like here on the props. And even though I exited the trade and I believe that it's going to respect the fair value gap on the hourly, I still think it might tip the take profit here because it's still bullish on the smaller time frames before actually becoming bearish on the smaller time frames. Like it appears on the larger time frames. So I'm not gonna send out to the community for them to close this trade early like I sent yesterday. I still believe that price is gonna go up there. Yesterday was the best call because if we go back in time, price did not actually go any point higher than where we closed that trade and I sent it to them. But this time I believe price is still gonna come up there, so I'm going to let them hold for full TP and, you know, let them get to secure a bit more profit than I did. What I will do, however, is advise them to bring their stop loss to break even so that the trade could be risk-free. I'm also going to let them know that I exited, but I'm not going to encourage them to close. So, alright, that's it. The group informed, profit secured, and we're up for the day. I'm not sure if I'm done for the day. I was just checking the different balances. It's like, still in drawdown, about $300 in drawdown on all of the accounts. So we're making our way slowly back up to break even, and then we're gonna take it from there. This trade, however, I was up in about $120 something in profit when I checked it, the max that I saw. This possibly could have given me around, let's say 160, 170, going for full TP, but I'm completely fine with that. There are more trade opportunities that will arise, and if I do happen to take any of the trade opportunities that arise, I'm going to open up back the camera and fill you guys in. But I'm not going to close the video here because I promised you guys some type of footage outside, so we're going outside. So catch you in that right now. Oh, before we go, I just wanted to fill you guys in real quick on the trade update. So we just hit TP, actually like half an hour ago. I just, you know, updated the chat, end up in conversation with a few persons, and now getting a chance to open up back the camera. But let's continue to where we were supposed to go, outside. Alright, real quick video. I don't really have that much places to show you guys, and to be honest, your body's still getting accustomed to this camera thing outside. And the thing that they said about like you need to escape your local community or your area where you grew up or anything like that in order to grow is 100% true, because there's like a hidden factor of the things that hold you back includes pride and stuff like that. So anyways, I don't have that much to show you guys, but there's this large ass this thing in the water there. But there's this large ass I want to say it's a hotel or something being built right at the side of the community, so I just thought I could show you guys this here. It's not that much, like I said, there's not that much to show, but whatever I have I'll still include it. And I'm now realizing that I got like 15 minutes of battery, so yeah, for the next clip as in the inclusion of the next clip in the next video, I'll probably go on the seawall out there and show you what it's like. But for right now, this is the situation. Oh, they also did new roads. The same people who built in this hotel, and this is like the inside of it. It's just a lot of sun. But yeah, the breeze might get too much as we continue going forward, so this is the situation.